Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I detangle, co-wash, and style my daughter's hair. She likes to go swimming and she likes to swim underwater, as you guys can see here. So, of course, chlorine got in her hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I detangle, co-wash, and style her hair. Now, this is the hairstyle she had previously. If you have not done so, I'll link this video in the description box. Go and check it out. If you have not done so already, I'll put the link. We started a new family channel. So if you have not subscribed to that channel, I haven't started putting up videos yet. But if you have not subscribed to that channel, go and subscribe. So that's where you're going to see us in our everyday form without hair involved. So that should be fun. My cooking videos, all of that. So go subscribe to that channel. Now, I'm showing you guys her hair. What I want you guys to notice is the inside of her hair is still very moisturized. It's still very, it still has a nice luster. It's just the outer perimeter that got all messed up and dried out from the chlorine. And all I did was her hair, the ponytail, I just took the whole ponytail and put it in one big braid when she was swimming. You can go back and look at the footage of it. She just had one big braid at the top, and that's all I did. But I love the fact that the only part that was dry was the outer perimeter. Like the inner part is still very moisturized. It's still very moist and glossy, as you can see. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I get this in an organized manner. I'm going to co-wash her hair. I'm not going to shampoo it because her hair was done a couple days before. So her hair isn't dirty. I want to co-wash it and just make sure I got all the chlorine out. When she got out of the water, she rinsed her hair, but I just want to make sure I got all the chlorine out. Now, as you can see, I've already separated her hair from ear to ear because the style that I'm going to do is going to be a ponytail in the front and in the back. So I've already separated her hair from ear to ear to make it easier for me. I squeezed the smooth through detangler on her hair. Mainly her tangles and matting is at the root, so that's where I focus. If your tangle and matting are on the ends, then focus on the ends, but her tangles and matting are mainly at the root of her hair. But I just wanted to run some detangler through it again to make sure I get all the chlorine out of her hair, because the detangler is also a co-wash. So as you see me working the detangler in at the root, and then starting from the ends, detangling my way up to the root, keeping her hair in sections. You notice, you guys, I always keep my girl's hair in twists and in sections because it makes it easier. This daughter in particular has very, very thick hair, as you can see. So it just helps to keep me organized. Once I keep her, for me, it helps to keep me organized when I keep her hair in sections. And I hope that makes sense. Now, the chlorine does not damage her hair because before she goes swimming, I always put some of the Perfect Assist Styling Aid on her hair and make sure it absorbs into her hair, so it keeps her hair from being damaged by the chlorine when she goes swimming. So that's why I was showing you guys how I separated her hair from the back to the front. So now I rinsed all of the detangler out. I just co-washed her hair. I didn't shampoo it. And now we're going to style it using the Perfect Assist Styling Aid. And you guys know I love this styling aid. I use it for everything except for silk pressing. So any hairstyle you see on this channel, I use the styling aid for at some point, or I use the styling aid in the hair at some point on every hairstyle except for silk pressing and flat iron. And I don't use the styling aid when I am blow drying. I blow dry their hair plain, natural, no oils, no none of that. I don't put anything on their hair when I blow dry it. So as you can see, I am putting the styling aid around the perimeter, not on the length of the ponytail, just around the perimeter. And I don't want it to go past my hand. That's why I'm keeping my hand there as I brush it, because I don't want the styling aid to pass my fingers. That's the hair tie I'm putting on her hair. And if you guys have not done so, I'll link the how to blow dry natural hair in the description so you can see how I blow dried her hair for this style. So I'll link that video in the description as well. So now her hair is all blow dry. That is all her hair in that ponytail. So you guys know she has very, very, very thick hairs. No hair added at this point. Now this style is very affordable, very reasonable, is cheap. You can do this style over and over again in different variations. That's why I love this style. Again, it's very cheap, it's affordable. So if you guys win the giveaway and you want to use the braiding hair, if you guys have not saw the giveaway video, I'll link that at the bottom as well. But if you wanted to use the braiding hair to do this style, you could very well use the braiding hair to do this style. This style won't cost you no more than $6-7. So I'm just doing a feed-in method, and I'm just giving her a natural, air quotes are everywhere, a natural, when I say natural ponytail, means the ponytail is not too big and bulky, and it's long, but it's not so big and bulky. So I want it to look like it was actually coming out of her hair, like a natural. So air quotes are everywhere, natural ponytail. Here are a couple of pictures. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.